Artificial intelligence is there and it is helpful for the humanity, and it is a tool. It's not the master. So we should always clear in mind that we are not going to govern by AI. We have to govern the AI. Now, as far as ChatGPT is concerned, so ChatGPT is helpful in some official documentations, like it can provide the information very soon. It can analyze the information. So for those purposes, it's okay. But in the school and universities and colleges, still it is banned, and it should be banned. It should not be given the free hand to the students that whenever you want you can just use it. There are certain topics where lots of research is required, where lots of reading is required, lots of consultation of the books are required, articles are required. Students can take help from there. But as far as creativity is concerned, where they have to think themselves, where they have to add their own ideology, their own thought processes, in that it should be strictly prohibited for the students to use ChatGPT or any other AI device, and they should use their own mind. And in this way they are going to develop their thinking skills and communication skills as well.